We're up in Gabriel 21 here, Emmett, Michigan. Hey guys, there's a CN westbound train coming in Emmett, Michigan. That's sitting up there's what are you moving for? It's coming. That's sitting up there's red and the signal red where is green red. Yeah, see? Green red. Alright. Also, there might be there's a CN M396 eastbound train coming. It might be in Emerald City waiting for this one. I don't know. But here comes the westbound on the first one too. It's gonna echo too when it passes the buildings. It's coming, Emmett, Michigan. Once it gets closer, I get the gates. But I'm not gonna move the phone when the train passes because I'm pretty close. That way I get a good video of it. Okay. Zoom in. Oh, it's like a big train. Yeah, it's coming. It's been 1 minute so far. Here it comes. I think it's CN, but I can't tell. Could be CSS. I think it's CN. I hear it, Emmett, Michigan. First train of the fall. Getting closer now. Yeah, it's moving really slow. It's not going very fast, I don't think. Huh? It's coming. Huh? What, are you making a video? Hi. I'm fine. Fine. Fast or slow? Fast?
Slow.
Slow? Fast or slow?
Slow.
Do you blow the horn yet? I'm making the gates real quick. I know, I'm just getting the gates. Then I may keep the camera facing that way. Yep, it's green red up there. Getting closer. Look, the lights look funny, don't it? Here it comes. Coming yet? Here it comes. Emmett, Michigan. Get the gates and out. I know, Mom. I'm just getting the gate. I know. Here comes. Here comes. Accurate. Now it's pretty on. That's a long one. Oh! Women's fight, I see the end up there. No, not yet. Yeah, it's here an M301 westbound train. Yep. There you go. That's a long one. Canada. Long train. Wow. Long one, huh? Yep, it's the M301 westbound train. A brown tanker. Oh, here comes the end. Bound for Winnipeg, USA with mixed fight. Wow. Oh, there comes the end. Emmett, Michigan. There it goes. Emmett, Michigan. Whoa. Gabriel 21.